So again, still 2018 Kia Sportage. We are replacing the transmission fluid for this car. So first thing we need to do, remove this engine shield. This plastic. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it's plastic. So we need to remove that. Using 10mm socket. Few bolts. Mabilis ano? So you don't need to remove the whole thing. Just the one on the front and 2 bolts at the back right there. And the fill plug is right there. The one. Okay, go for it.
Ano yung unahin ko ito?
Yan, yung fill plug, ay yung drain plug. Yung drain plug muna.
Saan ito?
Yan oo. Pag yun ang diferensya nung transmission sa differential. Oh, sige, okay na. Hindi, tignan mo, hindi siya ano, no? Hindi siya, hindi mo na kailangan, no, di ba? Sige, diretso mo na. Hindi na, diretso mo na yan, oo. Diretso na lang, sige. Sige lang. There you go. Okay, let's leave it like that for a few minutes. So, ano mo na lang, linisan mo na lang ng ano, brake cleaner. Alright, so but we need to remove the fill plug on the top. So, fill plug is over here. One right there. Right there. You can use 3/8 extension. Sige nga tol, pakilagay mo nga. And one more. Okay. There you go. It's not that tight actually. There you go. Perfect. Kunin mo yung magnet natin.
Plastic.
Oops, plastic. Oh, it's plastic. Kaya mo. Plastic. Holy cow, it's plastic. Okay, perfect. So that's our drain plug. Right there. Oh. Perfect. That's it. Okay. So that one is just snug. Don't over tight it. Then let's remove the oil. There you go. That's it. Then
Hindi nga gamitan ito?
wag na.
Tsaka?
Okay, that's good. Ano ang tapon yan? Okay, let's measure it. How many liters? Oh, 4 liters. Wow, exactly 4 liters. There you go. Baba mo na ito. Yan mo. Ano na yan. So we'll put 4 liters. Exactly, we got 4. But anyway, this came from Kia. So they gave the owner 4 liters, not liters, quarts, almost close to 4 liters, but that's fine. 4 quarts. Okay, now let's fill it. That's 4 quarts. So 4 quarts, they gave us 4 quarts, and yeah, go ahead. We're putting 4 quarts, so we're using this long funnel. Dito ka sa kabila, tal. Perfect.
Kala ko tatanggalin yung leveling ano, hindi na.
Ay, hindi na. Yun, sukatan natin yun. Pag tumulo na yun, mag-stop na tayo. Pero this time, tawag dito. Anyway, bubuksan din natin yun. Nag-ano tayo by measurement. There you go. Yan, namumuna siya dyan. Namumuna siya ganyan. Next. So this is what? ATF SP4. Again, this came from the dealership. This is the OEM fluid. So 4 of them. So we already installed that fill plug. Now we clean it up. Now let's start the car for 1 minute, and let's put the gear to cycle the fluid. There you go. Alright, so we put on reverse, neutral, and drive. And neutral, drive, park. So 1 minute, and then let's check the leveling plug. Alright, that's it. Okay, let's open the leveling plug. Oh, still need to add. Mag-add tayo. Open it again. Okay, add. Slowly. Slowly. It's more than 4 quarts, really? Oh yeah, it is leaking now. There you go. There you go. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Yep. There you go. Alright, let it drain. And that's it. So 4 quarts in a little. That's it. Oh, thank you. And then let's cover it. There you go. Okay. Then let's just clean it up, and that's it. And just clean it up. it. All right, let's do test drive. Wow, super smooth. Seatbelt, seatbelt.
Flight in for your safe driving. Starting normal recording.
Wow, all right. Runs very smooth. Nice. All right, that's it. Done.